Welcome back to class. Today, I want us to spend some time understanding our SQL, right? And I want us to go straight to the alter statement in SQL, right? And what do you do with the alter statement? The alter statement is used to change the data structure, the structure of a database, right? You have created a database, right? You have created a table, but then you want to change some particular information or a particular data on that table or database that you have created, right? The right statement to use is the alter statement, right? So there are few things that you can do with the alter statement, right? So and then how you can do them, what you want to do determines how you use the alter statement, right? You can use the alter statement to rename. For example, if your intention is, if you have created a table and then the table obviously we have some columns names, right? So you want to rename a particular column name, right? You use the alter statement. If while creating the column names, there is a particular column header or a column name that you're supposed to include and you didn't include it, but you have created the table, and executed, and you want to add the new one that you're supposed to put into it, right? So that means that you want to add. So you can alter to add. You can alter to add column name. You can alter to add to rename column name. You can alter to drop column names, right? You can alter. Just that's how the alter. That's how the alter statement is being used. We say the alter statement is used to change the structure of the database. So I'm going to use some of the data that we have created, some of the a table we have created on in one of our classes, right? We're going to write on that class for better understanding, right? You could do well to go back to some of our videos and then check how the table were created. But then for easy of use, right, you know how the process is like that. One of the things you must ensure is that you are on the right database. So we created the table under the AYZ limited database, right? But at the moment we are on the world database. That is why the world is highlighted with bold text, right? So the first thing I want to do is to ensure that I activate the AYZ database, right? AYZ limited database. And to do that is very simple, right? Two ways. It's either I double click on it this way, or I come here to write a statement to activate it. The statement will be use AYZ underscore LTD. That's the name of the database, right? And I'll put my semicolon and activate, right? So you will see that now the AYZ LTD is now given in bold text, meaning that it is activated. Now that it is activated, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have in that database. Let's see the table. For the table I have there is called the employee table, and I want to see how the employee table looks like. I'm going to say select all from employee, right? And I'm going to execute this, right? So this is the table. So what I want to do now with the alter statement is that already I have staff number, first name, last name, department, employment date, salary, gender, and I recall. So I am supposed to have the job title of this employee. I'm supposed to have a column to address the job title of this employee. I do not recall this while creating this table, so I want to have a new column for job title. So I'm going to use the alter statement, right? But this time around, the intention of the alter statement is to add a new table. So I'll say that I want to alter to add column, right? Recall that I said you can alter to rename, you can alter to drop, but this time around I want to alter to add column. So I'm going to write my statement this way, right? I'm going to say, just look at the screen. I'm going to say alter. Alter. What do I want to alter? It is a table. Don't forget you can alter database also. So you're going to specify what you want to do. I'm not altering the database. I'm altering the table. So I'm going to say alter table, and I'm going to put in the table name. The table name is employee, right? Alter table employee. Now that I've written this, what do I want to do exactly when I alter? Don't forget, I can alter to add, I can alter to rename, I can alter to drop. But this time around, I want to alter to add column. So I'm going to say alter alter table employee, add, right? And I'm going to put the new column that I want to add to it. Let me call it job title, right? Right? Job title. And don't forget the pattern, I mean the right understanding is when you write, the new column name, right, you must include the data type that you want to put into it. So I'm going to call it car, and the length of the data I'm going to call, it will be 20, right? And then with this I'm done. So I'm writing a statement to alter my table and add a new column name, right? So this is alter to add column name. So I'm going to execute this, and let's see what we have. So this is executed, right? This is how you know that it's executed. You come to the output point and you see if it is marked, so it means that it is executed, right? So zero role affected, right? So what do I want to do now? Let's see. Let's now see how will it look like, because we have executed already. So to see it now, I'm going to use the select statement. I say select all from select all from, what's it, table name employee, and I'm going to execute this. And what do you see? You see that now, and I have the job title, right? Job title included as part of the column name, right? So this is how to add a new column name to your table, to the table of your database, right? We use the alter to add, right? The next thing would be that to now populate this data with their the columns with the respective data, right? And of course there is a new statement to do that. Let me just brief you. They're going to use the update, right? Update statement to do that. But then let's stop here for today, and let's take time to look at the video again, right? Please subscribe to our channel, click the subscribe button, and then follow us as we take you through some other aspect of SQL and data analytics in general. Good to have you once again. Have a good day.